Well, anyway, you didn't share more for Porcupine stand as usual. Asante Kotoko nsɛm ɛna yɛba abɛkyerɛkyerɛ mu na yɛde bebree aba abɔnten ama wo a wo so wɔ fie a wohwɛ me no. You get to know more about Kotoko and what exactly is happening ɛwɔ Asante Kotoko mu. Nyame adom ɔkyena, it's match day for Asante Kotoko against Accra Lions, Ghana Premier League, match day 5. Yes, match day 1, Karela, match day 2, Nsuatreman, day 3, Young Apostles, 4, Chelsea, and a 5, Accra Lions. 3 home matches for Kotoko, 2 away matches after the first 5 games. Good. Must win. Yes, must win. A win for Kotoko, they ever call 11 points. You see, 8. They ever call 11 points. To end the first part, say international break. The international break in Baba. And because Kotoko international break, Kotoko will be traveling to DC United. To DC to go and play against DC United. And break in Baba for Kotoko. And Kakra. At least Kotoko can be in a good position. So that's second. What it means that if you are winning, either I'll call first and now you are keeping your position on the second position. Then they break in the Bema. Yaka free buses nasem. So you don't have a reason not to go to a bus unless you have a special duty. Duty you have to perform it outside of bus. And yes, sir, you have to be at a bus. Now me I don't watch now to watch Asante Kotoko and Accra Lions. Yeah, buses nsem de di hu nkomo enra. Nene ye kwa ye kyerɛ nsɛm no mu akɔpem ye bebre ye bra e de aka hye free mo chane abeto aso. Coach Ogumakasa as usual. Yedamaso the response amodi amayen when we take our time to explain Coach Ogum nsɛm. I get a lot of positive reactions on that. Again, may the other news around Asante Kotoko bro. And now I'm share my boss the trip to DC, you know, me pay confirmation my own mama. Mensaka out, bring it out. Now, yes, we in so kakra. 1 goal project with 3 points is better than 3 goal project with 1 point or 0 points. And then abranti bi ne match ho o maase ha downstairs me ba na oshia me say obenam say yes. Easy for about 30 minutes. Extensive. I nearly na me nim say be call that long cranka me ne ba ha me hear that conversation. I do it a lot. I hear that conversation because he was making good points. He was speaking from the angle players Akucho Gumato comments Kotoko coaches na pass why at this point Esenki who goes if flow, and I was also explaining my part. But I'll still stand by it. So China Sa Asante Kotoko we born. No Asha Accra Lions 1-0 me. Many budget than se Kotoko be 2 na Accra Lions wa 2. Yes, he born 4 goals the PM but Kotoko enya 3 points. It suits the neutrals. But why Kotoko need your focus should be the 3 points for now. Coach Akani nyina won say what kasa ansem ni nyina. But first question a Coach Oguma answer, it relates to news be on to mechanism no abo. So try and know the difference. Frederick Kasari enya national team call up. Coach Ogum was asked about Frederick Kasari national team call up. When you know. Coach said they are happy. They are wishing him well. I mean, say, oh yeah, coach. Now obi bo under you. Na edu level na nipa no national team technical heads na on ehu die we nemu. No more friend say players ye person besi akan edema national team asumesi ye person wo beka ho. Now bo bi mayen who your coach are you feel proud and the entire technical team is happy for Frederick Kasari getting a call up to the national team. Now, and then so there was this funny question. I think only part of the graphics, which was on Facebook. Ebisa said, Asante Kotoko US, Frederick Kasari, player of Kotoko, and a captain. Should he decide to go to US and skip the Blasters or not? The fact is, Asare Elko Blasters camp, Onko Kotoko camp. On the Kotoko team no aim to kwan. He is joining the Blasters. For the Kasari call up, okay. There are a lot of comments around it. Utie. From time when you call up Bakona Kotoko Kobo or Abrankese, na say a friend last minute money free Blasters camp better go. And son of son come back to a Blasters camp go kind of download incident in AC, you know. So this time around, you know, yenya friend will just boom krobeko. So Kotoko would definitely travel without Fred Kasari. And ya di ampedi for ko ask any excuse. Say yesteremo ye too quaint, you know. Monfa play and my na yen nenko. The Bibia sa currency. He's going. He's going. So Kotoko will have to find a way. Either they'll go with one goalkeeper or they'll go with two goalkeepers. Say Fatah Seidu is a goalkeeper for Asante Kotoko. A Kotoko goalkeeper. That young boy non fan from Park Academy Obeda Kakroko Future Stars no. Wasamba back. He's the third goalkeeper of Asante Kotoko. So Fatau is there. Obet me joining Mohamed Kamara Bago. That's a Kotoko Karela. Fatau the koi. So there's no issue with the Freddy Kasare thing. Asare is going. End of story. Asare camp team no welcome. For now, I'll talk about the injury issues and possibly some of the players will be on a prayer because of that, and it will be difficult for them to make the trip. Because phobia will pray for some of those players, it will be difficult for them to make the trip. But Asare is out because of the national team call-up. Well, before I move on to the second question, Bisa Coach Ogun, let me give you this piece of information. Say me messing no me de fra me blend no me de info no kakra na me Coach Ogun question kakra na ye kosa okay. And Asante Kotoko ye training ewo Obuase. Omo ya anopa and I wiem ko woso mo kakra our park no so. Medical kan wa ha say enra me kan and my kind previously I give reasons kakra na me de ba. It's a reason ba ko pa man for money say you need a venue where you have total control over the venue. We all know say hard to focus on Asante Kotoko. They don't have total control over the various national stadiums, whether Accra Sports Stadium or Baba Yara Sports Stadium. For instance, Asante Kotoko training or Baba Yara, you have to ask permission. Again, Baba Yara, the cost norm the managing. But before Baba Yara, I'm planning ahead. So normally, the truth of the matter is, mostly Saturdays, Baba Yara no more year. What they do is, the Heroes Park, and a bemom. The Heroes Park in the Modi. Na nipa no de VIP on say one man heroes on no ye na nkasa. But baby a man for dignitaries ni be didi no. No de VIP ase on am say ho na bia obi o ha o de na hokwo ba betena mo didi. So ati ase ebi also a VIP soro ho no. VIP the coffee VIP on say nim ho no. Ofro stadium no soro as a space bi da ho. But kona man for hye nkunya na ho no mo didi. Ho na ebi all serving a guest. Enti se ebia we Kotoko na ubi a last day be a Saturday before bebo game o person okoye final training bi secret training bi ebia o person mo ye na wia no 3 o'clock no time na mo bebo ball na person okoye a ubeduru ho no dede e wo ho any nipa e wo ho you cannot have that secret training na person way you can't. And in that case, yes, I remember some former NSA directors who are Kumasi no coordinate very well with Kotoko. But if you are one man pre-notice, I'll be do hono or you. So either you accept to train in the noise or you go elsewhere. But to say Diana Stars and a Doma park no Diana club there. So anytime they want to go and train, they can train. And to Kotoko. Now, Kotoko, after the game of boy against Insuatremai, they decided to stay out of Boise. And on my training on a Thursday, on a Friday, and Saturday, almost 4 training sessions. So the news is that you control the place. The time our panel, our plan is always number one option. And the dasro, before say obi fufuro here at the stadium no about be number 2. So most of the time they will cross check with you before, even if they need to give it out to somebody or my. But baba what they normally do is omo date our clubs na the ball. Nti no no keep notice. After that, all the other days, they are making their plans to make money. Into spiritual aspect. Say, your ball bonnet. I remember now, Kotoko match when I know mobile the match was played around 6. And upon to a number 6 na Nkwalani ye games or Baba Sports Stadium. If you remember that issue, there was Bakokrana, there was a final game. I think Milo Bine Somobo. They had to influence to take it to another day. Think you and you. You don't control the venue. Into your boss in the me catch it say baba no when you for tumto be a World Cup qualifier. And say yeah move from Kotoko 2 days about 3 matches 4 matches be to even the entire year. Maka financial benefits once a match on and then they make the control over the facilities so the actual in sembre biba na announcement ne banner in case he say Kotoko stay or boase for longer. You would understand the factors behind it. Na me titi bi ho actual. Pacho wajas. Internet team no o share Kotoko videos and no mo post your mo ye train or park na so mo no be any asset. You get used to the place. You control the place. It is under your care. Uyo be a wundi Ghana Premier League na chinche. On clubs into 2 kwanya. You understand the control na American. You understand. Tanet here. Baba Ibu Abidoni again. It's not necessary. So the boss is staying will belong. Yes, Bibia Sembe catcher. But the second question on Bisa Coach Ogum had to do with the missing of chances by the team. And the fact that Fernando Wisdom Bassi, good, Nigerian, he granted an interview with Kotoko Media, and he admitted, say, they are missing chances based on the Chiromo training. Now, as a player, at the end of the day, said they are missing the chances so early in the season, and the technical team is working on it. So with time, they will improve and they will stop missing the chances. This is what Fernando Wisdom Bassi did to you. And the Kotoko journalist Nibisa, Coach Ogum about this. And Coach Ogum said that he's happy when players admit, say they have a weakness and they should work on it. Now, too, Osade also say enye Fernando Nkwa and Ekasa Asabno. There are other players in the team. If you speak to them, they will admit, say, Osi a Friday be a passive and active situations. They've been giving the players passive and active situations in training on how they can convert their chances and what we call proper situational drills. Among the Emma boys, and they believe that when they work harder, they would definitely get to the stage. The players will start converting the chances, and the kind of goals are cut caution. But I see in every disgrace there is a grace. One can't say I'm the upper training, I'm a cast asking yourself. I said there is a negative aspect of missing the chances, but the positive aspect is first problem is solved, and the first problem is creating the chances. You team won't create, so if you create, you've solved the first problem. Now, one problem, the other one is to convert. So now I'm for the creation aspect because they are creating quality chances. So it comes back to converting the quality chances, which he's working on it. And every player be see a kind obi obobo makotoko bia oni omo training beji atum say o bra otimi hihye omo say ebia yemfa ne say nki eduru ball po mu say na me players miensa defenders yi mienu a ekwan ben so na mbefa so abobo ball no among bo ho de ato atrem omo yes ade no training na omo yes ade na mfomso ba omo mu gina na wa kire omo say nka wei wo kese wo ni say wo esen ka opia di say wo na esen ka wo so ana wo twindru say agina ho na wo move say that is passive and active situations oye ni nyina nti mrepa ebeba ba de hia na ese nkunimdie ne ba no na players na nkasa omu gidi omu mu no so kosoro na gidie no so boa confidence eno so boa ema ntranto no etimi kototen ede ma Asante Kotoko. Coach Ogu, question number 2. Mame nko question number 3, nam the story number 3 about Bewurem. The question number 3 on Bisan had to do with Accra Lions. Say season ni kwa wiye no Coach Ogu ni nkomodi a oni Asante Kotoko consent for di ye no. Ose match ba ko a ohum se ni team di nkugo na mum ohwe e ma na ni giye Accra Lions match no. Coach kan. Na afi wo san bebo mu biem den na wan kasa e with trimupo e de fa match. Coach Ogum di two that's a 1. Accra Lions ball no wa ope boy fed ye ochina obenya bi e de free mrantie no cause Ghana hana yete no ope omo a ye kire omo ball so call schools SS na maths and science quiz for contenders no na contestants no good inya abotre chi omo trase e see omo specific questions for maths and science quiz South na Accra Lions nkwala ye kire omo ball ne ball kire omo passing ye kire omo we na ye de ade bi wuro omo mu se ball no but ye efe a obi tie kire a na ni ba giso tues ka be he so they are trained to play good football ani Accra Lions they are omo de ba park no so a Coach Ogum kan na technically egu omo nsa no and enam so omo suso omo fa nkwala nketenkete the last time when I had a conversation with Coach Ibrahim Tanko, not about the ages of some of the Accra Lions players now in Mesho. They know when you quite think 24 years or so. And these were ages of before more. Quite chilly for no yashimti. Then same Kalani baby. Proper footballing age. To Mususa. To more thing. Osuk omutumrika. Bremrika to na ball so domina no omombre. You are comfortable on the ball. Ti die se Kotoko yo kira ne yese. Nipa no tu ana watiem. So that is what Kotoko will do. Die Kotoko be okira no. Preventing Accra Lions from having time, a breath, any space to their advantage. Or say, matches on the Accra Lions abo any Accra Lions team no ahe omo. So man e breath. Now some man is space found so good. Cause we yende in a better. Last season, we help Kotoko near Accra Lions. When Kotoko players decide they say, more close market, we two are no team. O mani panaje, now na unyambre e de dwene. Na nipa ni nyamre de dwene a, obobo no tu baby ebe hawo. But se oje ball na ukɔ no so, ana oje ball na ugina no ho a. E say first thing so oye na so yi wu free. Nti onyi wu free mu a wontimi dwene kwa obefa so de ball na kɔ. Nti e man processing the game. Na odi ubone ne ye den de ma no. I say kronfo ba ofie na wonto do mo so ha obi a wewuram. Ba oba ato do ba kun security wa ha we wa ha. Ese so dwene kon ba escape security na ansa na wa be wura dem aba ba he de da ho. So 15 minutes the all proper security no betimi a recover aba che no. Wa ni proper security no wura dem ho na. Well say 15 minutes na ehwe wa japade awi akọ. Sana coach ne pa kire time and space to so kina de e breni ho momo tu anu atiem make sure say unkuta ball no say bra Kotoko unkuta ball no omni kwan so mi jom e chire ho toto ho no mo bubotum e last season when watch Accra Lions upetim ba ko exploit Kotoko 3-back system no emi ewie ball no na nkoma obi adi 3-back nya Kotoko dia 3-back nya Kotoko dia na Accra Lions ewo Kumase enya Accra de meka Kumase on say that time na Kotoko about 3-back na de enya points started second round ni nkoyi and that game Blay Ansu Nuruddin e botuma na oko 5,000 was a depending to make up pass no sign. That was what happened to coach and say the obey your mono Samba Unel story na me de maun Coach Oguma confirm say boy na start gym na ya ka kire na me ya adoma next week die na otwe we die no kotoko gift team na aye training na otwe edi anim die samba e ba ka kotoko senior team no na on the kotoko senior team no mum and be training from the look of things likely say samba out of 4 players na pra no baba ya somewhat tinedu a smart and samba no die likely so betimi adjoin the team no ama omakwa pie ewo USA no samba na coach si na ni age because Abrante the leadership qualities and how commanded the game no both free chiriba no ade a efe na ahomeka to be any age se samba a start here bra America team ne born na man ni age pa na samba ba obey ene de ablo ni justice blay boy enra open fan sometime otu a champon e confirm say yehu play with defensive midfield no enya ade a nhihye mu ene ni nkomodie mu no chances say be si no wosoro the chances say betimi ahu play e with defensive midfield ne wo form rather e wo form because I say nkomodie ni nyoma bebre akoso samba bay obey ne bie play bo a boy ni ablo bo a boy any send your kotoko wingers yi if you've watched Peter yehu Peter ye Dauda Saka for now or 2 assists but don't mean set stage in our blaze one hwe ya na Asante Kotoko team ne ba be duru ba bi no na mpanimfo be decide na one hwe ya na Kotoko be ko 3 back but what 3 more of a 3 more a 5-3-2 system also was study Asaka bo number obo e can say number utimi number 10 as a supporting striker I would suit me as a supporting striker and one hwe ya we have ball now but Lord Amwa bono I want right ho there Patrick Essien do ball left ho ya why he ya say blade me born ye or tina utimi san yire ne pampi bo ni ye a e be den say blade ne ba ya na samba ne ba ya obe drop no to one he ya that Blaze performance can force the coach to go to a 3-back system, which is something that can happen. You can force him to go to a 3-back system. I'm just me vision sad, you know. I can feel that. And ebia the middle of ebia team Awuchi ebia Emmanuel Entry, nebia Saka and Albert Amua elidi attack. Maybe I'm at 3-back, no, I'm at wing backs because why be pay. But time will tell. But so far, Blay Engun when him seeing in the absence of Samba. Now, my men 7 so na men fa ebi enka homa. Kotoko trip no answer na maba the last 2 questions on bisa Kochogu. On Tuesday, either Monday enumre and a Tuesday anopa, Asante Kotoko will announce. So move to Kwan on Wednesday. This is the confirmed one I have. They will do the announcement. It is pending on something, but definitely Kotoko is traveling. Kotoko be to Kwan. Until Wednesday, it is confirmed from the person that I wanted the confirmation from. So Wednesday, I know Kotoko be to Kwan. Eddie Akwako PM. That is when they will start their journey. Until on Tuesday or Monday evening, the club itself will officially announce and the schedules and the plans and everything leading to the journey in terms of how they will travel. Kotkobo China, they will come to Kumasi. They will come to Kumasi. And other preparations towards the trip will definitely follow. Replica JC, no, it's not coming to Obuasi tomorrow. I have confirmed it this evening. I said, no, I'm a catcher. I say, I say, I can confirm it to you. Say, China is not coming to Obuasi. But rather from next week, the jerseys will be out and you get some to buy. And TM copy men now watch it. Maybe I could jersey no about one time I which it any biano. Also ubenye biato I know a news or ha me de out. Now on the Ogum ball, pa J Yamame. As I took a consent trophy bisa coach. Say coach, buy goal no deɛ ɛwɔ wo wini bi ba wo ball no ɛnyɛ deɛ ɛfɛ na ahomeka wom no a ne anim sɛ wopɛ sɛ ɔbɔ no na ɛdɛn na akɔfa saa no aba because akyitaafoɔ no bi complain sɛ coach ball no nyɛ fɛ de nti na wo ball no nyɛ fɛ de nti na wo ball no akɔyɛ biribi ɔwɔ saa na coach ogum sɛ n'ani so ade hunu deɛ obi anim sɛnea onya a ɔpɛ sɛ ne team fa so bɔ ball na mmom nokorɛ no yɛ baako pɛ Asante Kotoko team na ɛda hɔ no mmeranteɛ no aba foforɔ nti wɔntumi mblendi ɔmo mbom tumi nka mono ne dada ne mbom ɛma chemistry ne ntintim yɛ na again ball a yɛbɔ dominate opponent no yɛde chemistry na ɛyɛ because ɛsɛ mehu na wohu me mehu ahoɔden ne mehu sintɔ na mehu baabi a wogyina me paase ma wa wobɛtumi akuta ball no mu yi a yɛngye mfiri wɔn nsam ne nyinaa no ɛyɛ mmerɛ na wode hu yɔnko no yie anaa wode bɛhu teammate no yie through repetitive practice and yes, repeatedly you keep on practicing. So even when you close your eye, you know where to pass to your player. In Sebon, no what you of finfia. That's all person call longer. When him say assume see the miracle ho odin to say. The miracle ho odin to say. Da want mean to miracle kran me bottle ha obeduru. Da what to miracle pa na assume see the me bottle ha obeduru unto bomb man no. But the be mad de onim se na ho odin betimi aye. Na saa deɛ nyinaa ɛyɛ brɛ ɛna players need develop saa deɛ so the players are now developing that again ɔno as a coach the basically it will be a gradual process for the players to get their rhythm and get the right balance into ɔgye tum sɛ team ni nya nduru saa bea na Kotoko bɛdi nkunim ɛbɛbɔ bɔ ɛfɛ a akyitaafoɔ no ɛde saa nneɛma no mmienu bɛkɔ fie ɔgye tum na mmom ɔsrɛ sɛ ɛyɛ brɛ tie akyitaafoɔ no ɛnya abɔtrɛ man so ogum sɛ abɔtrɛ he has admitted that the team is here to give the fans that entertaining football but ɛyɛ abɔtrɛ ti obi anka na koma nto no yam and that is what the coach ogum de to ya owie na ɔde to ya sɛ n'ani agye wɔ sɛnea akyitaafoɔ no kyerɛ ɔdɔ ɔmo akyɛ sɛ Asante Kotoko bɔ ti ɔsrɛ mo ɔkyena mo ɔkyena so ɔmo mmra na mmom emu yɛ den a menye obi a meyɛ expert of body language but anytime bi a coach ogum kasa na oduru bra a ɔsrɛ akyitaafoɔ no sɛ mu yɛ den ɔmo nya abotire bi a ɔtumi hu sɛ ɛyɛ asɛm a ɛda n'akoma so paa yes hu sɛ ɛyɛ asɛm a ɛda n'akoma so because you can feel sɛ eduru hɔ a sɛnea osi fa home eyi ne nsɛm maako no hit no timi no and obi onim ogum I mean we've digest this issue in the past say obi an ability to absorb pressure sɛnea otimi absorb pressure and pressure need to make get it to ogu nti otimi say ɔka aso ɔkama no ho ɛsan kama players no say duru dia din ɔsrɛ akyitaafoɔ no nya abɔtrɛma team no sɛ moba in your numbers your channel ever call was 20 series, 30 series, 70 series. Yes, Kotoko other venues or mojen their chance auntie. Kotoko bu home so as on so GBSA. Na players na the squad no was no one Asare because Asare be watch na game before so be couple last camp. So Asare Mohamed Kamara, Lord Amwa, Emmanuel Kote, Patrick Esiedu, Henry Ansu, Justice Blay, Joseph Ablo, Che Jamna, Andrew Sintimenu, Elvis Che Bafo, Emmanuel Entry, was Dombasi, Peter Aqua, Maboche Jamna Diniani, Avoka, Vertus Avoka, Solomon Kwakusai, Jordan Emisa, Dauda Saka, Abdul Karim Abdul Rahman. Na when your brand your friend Albert Amo. We mean a players Asante Kotoko camp. Ebe ye adwuma. Lineup ne be ochna. Lineup be ochna. Based on training. As every man based on training. But because of how Accra Lions first born, I will not be surprised if Coach Ogum will go with Che Dwamena. Yes, change Dwamena because you will try and protect the middle before you look at getting goals. But you know, have a good evening. Bye bye. Deɛ ɛwɔ yɛ afam, nyansa ne yɛnim deɛ, ɛne aka ne nyinaa de abo. Ɛde abrɛ mu. Mehwɛ mu sɛ mmerɛ afi bia. Baasɛ mmerɛ mfi bia. Nyame nka nyina ho bɛsi ɔkyena. Bye bye.